Well guys, I'm about to go fishing, but this is one heck of a windy day. It's already showing white caps in the water. We'll give it a try, but I got a feeling I won't be out here long. But we're gonna give it a try. I'll see y'all later. Guys, so I made it across. It's really windy. I think I'm gonna plan to stay near the shore again and just cast up here and slow retrieve this jig right here. Try them color. So, electric chicken right there. I'll show you how close look at it. Electric chicken right here. Give it a little try and see how it does. I wanted to go up that way more and go on the bend, but it'd be safer if let's go against the wind for now, just in case something were to happen to my trolling motor. I don't want to be rowing against that kind of wind and wave, so we'll just have to make do with what we got and what the elements give us. So I'll be back with y'all when we start catching some fish. Change of plans, guys. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go up as soon as the wind pushes up. I won't be able to fight this and fish at the same time. So we'll just have to work with what we got here with the wind. So. There's a hit. Oh, it's a bass, I can tell already. There we go. First fish of the day, right there we go. Alright, here we go. That thing got him good too. He would not. Goes. There's a little guy. He's still fighting. Good little fish. One down. Let's hope we can get some more. I'm about to switch this up. I'm about to put a drop shot on this and throw it out and bounce out the bottom. I gotta be the. There's a hit. Oh wow, it's a fighter, whatever he is. It's a good fish. Not sure what it is. Is it a catfish? I don't feel like a catfish. It is a catfish. Wow. He totally wanted that bait. Well, there we go, guys. Catfish, channel cat. A nice eater channel cat, actually. Dude, his eyes messed up. He's been caught before, apparently, or something. Nice little eater. Let's let him go, though. There we go. This side's something. Hey, the striper. Cool. By the time I got something for my persistence here. Let go, bud. Anything in there to eat? He's eating? No? Alright. Look at that guy. We'll let him go. Golly. Another big wave. Big waves! Oh. Oh. Jeez. Oh, another big wave. Ah! Oh, golly. They're almost there. Oh, got another one. Ooh-wee. This river is rolling. Golly. Alright. There we go. Alright. I gotta angle this better. Gotta angle this. Whew. We made it! Goodness. That's quite different from this morning. Alright. Y'all have a good one.